Welcome students, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today another Nemood reaction in this class that we are going to discuss is the Kolb's electrolysis process. Here directly the Kolb's electrolysis process is a preparation of hydrocarbon by the electrolysis process or electrolysis of sodium or potassium salts of the carboxylic acid. Here RCOONA, sodium salts of the carboxylic acid, which is on electrolysis, nothing but which is decomposed in water, that we call as a electrolysis process. How many faradays of electricity that is required here is because of the exchange of the two electrons will takes place, hence it requires the 2 faradays of electricity. Here in order to balance this reaction, hence a new CC bond is established, that is alkane here hydrocarbon, and 2 moles of the carbon dioxide gas is liberated, and the remaining is the 2 moles of sodium hydroxide plus 1 mole of the hydrogen gas is liberated. What the objective point of view question is alkane or hydrocarbon and the carbon dioxide gas is liberated at anode, very important one, and sodium hydroxide as well as the hydrogen gas is liberated at cathode. Cathode hydrogen gas is liberated, anode carbon dioxide gas is liberated. What is the stoichiometric calculations of this one? By taking 2 moles of the salts of the carboxylic acid is an electrolysis. Here 2 moles of carbon dioxide, 1 mole occupies 22.4 liters at STP, 2 moles is a 2 into 22.4 liter, as well as 1 mole of the hydrogen gas is liberated at STP. The volume of the hydrogen is at STP condition 22.4 liters obviously. Now it is an example for the new CC bond formation. By this method, one carbon containing alkane is not preferred and not able to prepare by the Kolb electrolysis process. Here, what is the mechanism of this reaction? The mechanism proceeds via free radical mechanism. Here, RCOONA is there. What it is forming? RCOO minus and Na plus ion. Here the water is there. Water is also ionizes in water, H plus as well as what? OH minus ion. Here, as I said, it is an electrolysis process. That's what at anode. What the reactions that are taking place at anode is we know well, always anion moves towards the anode and gets deposited. But in this solution or aqueous solution of the salts of the carboxylic acid containing 2 anion, which anion is getting deposited firstly on the anode? That is given by, very important thing, discharge potential phenomena. The discharge potential for the carboxylate ion is lower than compared with the OH minus ion. Hence, this the carboxylate ion is getting discharged easily. RCOO minus is gets dissociated to form RC double bond O radical plus 2 electrons are liberated. Next one, RC double bond O radical, again free radical, homolytic bond fission. Hence, the 2 moles of the carbon dioxide gas is liberated as well as a new bond is formed between 2 alkyl groups. This is a one way. In a minute quantity, another product is also forming, that is RC double bond O radical may joins with the R radical to form RC double bond OR, that is ester is also possible as a byproduct in very minute quantity. Next one, what the reaction that are taking place at cathode is at cathode, a cation always moves towards the cathode and gets deposited. Cations are 2 are there, one is Na plus ion and H plus ion. We know well, Na plus ion discharge potential is low, hence 2 Na plus 2 electrons gives rise to 2 Na. Then 2 Na is on hydrolyzing 2H2O gives rise to 2 NaOH plus hydrogen gas is liberated. Like this is a free radical mechanism which is followed by a Kolb electrolysis. Here is some examples which is based on the previous examinations. Here like sodium salts of the acetic acid is given. What we need to do here, a new CC bond is established. This reaction is also an example for new CC bond formation. Alkane ethane is formed. And here is the two molecules of the carbon dioxide gas. Two molecules of the carbon dioxide gas. As I mentioned earlier, that hydrocarbon as well as the carbon dioxide gas is liberated at where? Anode. And here is the one molecule of the NaOH, another molecule of the NaOH and H2 gas. Two molecules of NaOH plus hydrogen gas is liberated. Those are at cathode. Very important thing that we need to remind here. Except to metal hydride, that means hydrogen combines with the H block element, except that remaining all cases the hydrogen gas is getting liberated at anode only. Here in the case of the metal hydride, only the hydrogen gas is liberated at anode. Remaining all the cases, the hydrogen gas is liberated at cathode. Then here is already one bond is there. As a result, what the formed one? Double bond. Hence, it is an example for new CC bond formation. Because of by breaking this bond, homolytic cleavage establishes a double bond between them. And two molecules of the carbon dioxide gas and two molecules of the potassium hydroxide and 1 mole of the hydrogen gas is liberated. Here already the reactant having a double bond, hence homolytic cleavage. What will happen? A triple bond CH, triple bond CH, and the two CO2 molecule and the two potassium hydroxide molecule and hydrogen gas. One more thing, during this course of a reaction, what happens? The pH value. Here, a strong bases are eliminated out. The base value, pH value is greater than 7. During the course of this reaction, the pH value is gradually increases. Here is a dicarboxylic acid is given. Here, the CO2, here is a bond is broken homolytically. Here, bond is broken homolytically, establishes a new bond. One molecule of the carbon dioxide, two molecule, and the sodium hydroxide and the sodium hydroxide hydrogen gas. Simply CH3, CH double bond CH2 propene is formed. Means if in between the reactant molecule there is no bond, single bond is established. If a reactant having a single bond, double bond is forming. If a reactant is having a double bond, the product containing triple bond. That is the key. Now the previous examples which is asked in the previous objective examination, what one can having a possibility that the different possibilities are forms. Here is a homolytic cleavage. As a result, one can imagine it forms what? 1,3 cyclobutadiene. Another possibility of the same kind of the molecule may joins together and it forms of the such kind of the compound. Next one here, if electrolysis is carried out, this electron is given this side and this electron is given this side. As a result, the new cycle is going to form. Like here is a 1, 2, 3. Here is also 1, 2, 3 is given. And here is the 3 cycles ring is forming. Here that we call as a dihydro or dihydroanthracene, which is an aromatization. It forms anthracene. It's a very important one where if it is donated electron, this is donated electron, what the one possibility that I am going to form is a dimethyl cyclo 1,1 dimethyl cyclopropene, but due to bond angle strain, this molecule is a highly unstable, hence which undergoes rearrangement to form a stable, highly stable product. This is the stable product will form. Next, here is a example for the disproportionation reaction. Under the disproportionation reaction, highly stable compound it form. One is a C2H6, another one is a C2H4. Like this, be practice more number of examples regarding every named reaction. Be conscious about that. If is there any doubts arises, please forward through our comment box. Thank you. Some very important examples regarding the Kolbe electrolysis. Here is in between the reactant molecule a single bond is there. Here carboxylic acid salts are there. Hence, as a result, what would be the formed product is a transalkene, because the cis is unstable and the less stable and the dipole moment is also not equal to 0 in such case. Hence, the most stable is the trans alkene is formed. Here is a single bond. As a result, double bond is formed. Here, carbon dioxide, homolytic cleavage, hexam. Here, the double bond is already present. Hence, CH3, C triple bond, CH alkyne is a formed one. It's a very important examples which is asked previously. Here is this bond is broken homolytically and this bond is broken homolytically. As a result, the different possibilities are arises, but the cyclohexane is a major product. This one is a major. And also in addition to that, if this bond is moved toward this side, this bond is moved toward this side. Here is a one odd number of electron, another odd number of electron. Another molecule is also going to join with this. As a result, this kind of the compound is also forming, but it is minor. Here is a very important one. Already the double bond is there. A student can able to do directly what he can. Already the double bond is present. As a result, it forms a triple bond. But it follows the benzene mechanism. Benzene mechanism is an unstable one. Hence, it is a less in proportion, where another molecule of the same type which is going to join. Here is a double bond is present and another molecule same of the molecule is going together. This is the major product. You just observe the difference between those. Why the abnormal products are forming.